everyone. So today I'm going to be doing my beauty favourites of 2017, and I really wanted to do this. I thought it was a really cute idea, and I obviously got a lot of kind of beauty stuff throughout the last year, so what better way to just show you all what I got and kind of share some things, because I was going to do like review videos and stuff for some of them, but I just didn't really I didn't really feel up to it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first favourite I have for 2017 is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I did a video swatching and reviewing this, so if you want to go and check it out, I'll pop a card up here for you to go and watch that after. But yeah, I really like this. I ordered it kind of when it came out the second time, so it did take a while to get here because it was from America, so it took a little while, like 2-3 weeks or so. But yeah, this is really nice. It smells really great. I'm not going to go into too much detail because obviously I did a whole video on it, so you know, you can watch that. A lovely range of colours. I just love using them all. They're so nice, and yes, it smells amazing, so I'm really happy with this. The next beauty favourite I have is the Morphe Fall Into Frost palette. This is what it looks like. It's so nice. I just like how kind of simple it is. I just really enjoy it. I think it's really cute. And then I will show you the colour range in there, and then those are the types of shades you get. So you can see you get a nice range, but this came out, I think this is kind of like a autumn palette, but I think I got it quite late, so obviously I got it more springtime, so I couldn't really use many of the colours until later in the year, but even so, it's really nice and I really like this. The next favourite beauty item I have is the Harry Potter makeup brushes that I got from Wowcher, and I did a video on these as well, so yes, you can go and check that out. I'll pop it up here. But yeah, I really liked these, and they're a little bit different to the official ones, but they were only £10, so you get 10 brushes for £10, which I think is really good. I'm pretty sure they're still on there if you want to go and get them. So you get a very wide range. You get kind of eyeshadow ones, and then you've got a nice kind of detailed one here. They're all for the eyes, so they're all eyeshadow brushes. Like this one here, or you got a very fluffy one, so you get a really nice kind of wide range here, and they're all made out of metal, so they have a bit of weight to them, but I feel they to me that makes me feel like they'll last a little bit longer, which I like. I really get on well with them. I think they're really nice, and they're very soft as well. They're really good quality for something that's a dupe of the official product. So yeah, I really like them. I get on well with them. The next favourite I have is the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I am obsessed with this. I use it pretty much every day. It's so nice. It's such a nice palette. It really is just amazing, and I just love it. It's so cute, and I just love Morphe, so I'm glad that she kind of collabed with them, because this is just amazing. So these are the colour range that you get, and I just love it. And then she has a little message here, which I think is so sweet. But the colours though, there's such a nice wide range, and I love these ones down here. I even use this on New Year's Eve. Oh my god, I just love it. It's so cute, and it's such a nice palette, and I think you can just kind of use the colours for kind of any time of year, which I think is really good, because you don't want a palette that's very restrictive to when you can wear the colours. You just want something that you can wear kind of all year round, and I think that this definitely does that. The next beauty favourite I have is 4 lipsticks, and they're all by MAC, so we've got a theme here. But anyway, I'm going to start with the first 2, and I am obsessed with these. They're the Nicki Minaj MAC lipsticks, and these are the exclusive packaging ones that she brought out. So these are the ones that she properly designed, I guess. But they are the shades, the Pink Print and Nicki's Nude, and they're both nudes, so her whole range was nude lipsticks, which I like. I just adore the packaging, and I love that it's got her signature on them. I'll show you them up close. But yeah, I think they're so cute, and I'll show you the shades. So this one here is the Pink Print, and as you can see, it's a very nice kind of pinky peachy nude, which I really like. And then this one here, this is Nicki's Nude, and this is slightly darker, so it's a nice dark kind of pinky reddy colour. But I really love them. I probably would say I use this one more, just because this one it applies a little bit sheer, so you've got to put on like another few coats, but it like you expect that from any kind of light toned lipstick. You're gonna have to kind of build it up, which is fine. Another lipstick from MAC I've been loving is this MAC one here, and I think this came out as part of their winter collection. This is an amplified cream lipstick, and it's in the shade Elle Belle, I believe, or just Belle. It's one of those, but the packaging is so pretty. It's like a really nice gold, and it's got this kind of like detailing here, and then this is the colour, so it's a very nice kind of dark, nice deep red, and I am obsessed with this. I love it. It's such a nice kind of wintry colour, which I get why they brought it out as a winter range, because it kind of makes sense. But it's so nice, it's so pretty. I love it. I love a nice red lipstick. Most of my lipsticks I own are red, so you know, I love a nice red lipstick. And another one I've been really loving from MAC, I think this is just like they always stock this, but this is the shade Mocha, and it's a satin lipstick, and if I show you here, this is the colour. So it's very similar to one of Nicki Minaj's lipsticks, but it's a little bit like, when you apply it, it's like a brownie red. I guess it's like a, it's not like totally red, but it's like brownie reddy pink, so it's a nice kind of combination of the three. But I love this as well. This is so nice, and it's such a nice easy colour to throw on. Like, it kind of goes with any makeup look, which is what I like, so it's like very wearable. Next two items I've been loving, these are both by Kat Von D. The first one is her eyeliner, and I would tell you the name of this, but it's rubbed off, so I can't tell you the name of that. I'll put it down below so you know what it is, but it's tattoo liner. That's it, it's the tattoo liner. I knew it would come to me. But anyway, yes, I love this. I'm wearing it now. I adore it. I wear it every single day. I freaking love this product. Yes, I didn't think I'd ever get on with an eyeliner where you have to kind of draw on, but I am a changed woman. I adore this. It is amazing. I will show you the kind of eyeliner up close, so that's what it looks like there. I like that it's pointed, so you can really get into the corners, and it helps a lot to do wings on the eyeliner, which I really like. Yeah, I get on really well with this. I love it, and I think it's like £20 I think, or 17, it's one of the two, but which is a little pricey for eyeliner I guess, but it really works very well, so it's definitely worth spending that extra bit of money. Another thing I've been loving by Kat Von D is her liquid lipsticks. So I only have one of these, but I want to get more because they are so good. This is in the shade Nazfa 2. I probably butchered that, but yeah, it's like one of the dark reds, and I'll unscrew it and show you the applicator so you can see how very red it is, but it's lovely. It dries completely matte, which I love, and yeah, it's really nice. As you know, I said I love a red lip, so there you are. It's beautiful. The next favourite I've been loving is the Rainbow Highlighter by Makeup Revolution. Of course, I couldn't leave them out because they are just killing it for me lately. Yes, I adore this. Look, it's a rainbow, you know, you can't go wrong with a rainbow highlighter. It has, so all of these colours appear on your face at once. I love it, it's beautiful. The packaging is really nice, and it actually lasts quite a long time. Like, I've used this quite often and I've still got a whole bunch left to use. But yeah, it's really nice. It's very affordable. They're such an affordable brand, I think, and I just love it. It has all the colours that you would get in like a normal glow kit, but all merged into one, which I think is amazing. Staying on the glow kit line, I also really have been liking the Aurora glow kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yes, I am obsessed with this as well. It's kind of shimmery all over the place, so but yes, these are the colours that you get, so you get a really nice range. I have used all of these on my face and they all look amazing, so you know, they all work really well. And I especially love the shade Luna because it really just makes your face like so bright and so like sparkly, and it just works really well in photographs as well, I think. But yeah, I've really been liking this as well, and this is obviously a little bit more on the expensive side, but you get quite a lot of shades, and the pans are actually like, you get quite a lot in there, so it's definitely worth the money, I think, and they stay on really well. I've also been really enjoying the Moon Dust palette by Urban Decay, and I'm obsessed with this. Look how pretty the packaging is to start off with. It is adorable, and the colours that you get here are all kind of glittery shades, and you get a nice wide range. You get pinks, purples, blues, and it's like you even get like a goldy black, so it comes off a little bit darker than a gold, like, which kind of deceived me at first, but yeah, I'll always swatch before you apply on your eyeshadow, because I had to then wipe it off and start again, and it wasn't good. But yeah, I really like this. I use it primarily for adding like glitter on top of my eyeshadows, just to make them like kind of pop a bit more, and if I want a little bit of sparkle, it definitely does that. So this is amazing. And another eyeshadow palette I've been enjoying is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer, and yep, it's just amazing. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this palette. So these are the colours that you do get, and you can see you get a nice wide range. I'm obsessed with this black. Oh my god, it is amazing. It's so sparkly as well, and I just love it. These are so cute, such beautiful shades, and the pigment is just spot on, I would say. Like, honestly, the pigment on these is amazing. So that is all of my beauty favourites for 2017. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye guys!